Metal carbonyls are coordination complexes of transition metals with carbon monoxide ligands. The carbon monoxide ligand may be bound terminally to a single metal atom or bridging to two or more metal atoms. These complexes may be homoleptic, that is, containing only carbon monoxide ligands, such as nickel tetracarbonyl. But more commonly, metal carbonyls are heteroleptic and may contain a mixture of ligands. The general formula is MxCON on the whole Z. You can see the structures in this slide where there are terminal carbonyls, bridge carbonyls, and polycarbonyls, polymetal carbonyls with the poly centers, that is, three metal atoms. In the second slide also you can see the same and the various possible structures of carbonyls containing bridge carbonyls. Nickel tetracarbonyl is a mononuclear carbonyl. Chromium hexacarbonyl is also a mononuclear carbonyl. Mn2CO10, as you can see in the slide, does not contain any bridge carbonyl. Then there is a modification to the same structure where there are three bridge carbonyls, which makes the structure more stable. In this slide you can see that it is a polynuclear carbonyl with 4 metal atom centers. Again in this slide you can see, now it will be more clear to you, that you can see terminal carbonyls, bridge carbonyls, and metal to metal bonds. How this is possible? That is known as synergic pi back bonding. How the structure is stabilized, and this kind of bonding is known as synergic pi back bonding. First, the carbonyl donates or gives its electrons into the empty d orbitals of the metal atom or the metal ion in the center, and after there is an excess of negative charge, the excess electrons are again given back through the pi bonds, which is known as pi back bond, as you can see in this slide.